Welcome to Prince Jordan House. The Hindu News, 13 January 2021. 80 words a minute. Special dictation for aims and other skill tests. Ready? Start. People will not have the option of making a choice between the two available COVID vaccines, Covishield and Covaxin. When the rollout starts on January 16, Union Health Secretary Rajendra Bhushan said at a press conference on Tuesday. The union government, he said, had agreed to procure 110 lakh Covishield doses from Serum Institute of India (SSI) at rupees 200 dose and 55 lakh doses of Covaxin from Bharat Biotech BBIL, of which 38.8 lakh doses is priced at rupees 295 dose. BBIL would provide 16.5 lakh doses of Covaxin free of cost to the central government as a special gesture. 4 other COVID-19 vaccines are under trial currently in the country, and it had so far received 54,72,000 doses of the vaccine to be distributed, while 100% doses to be received by 14th January in all states and union territories. Our expectations from the states and union territories is that all logistics should be ready from January 16, and there should be continuous oversight and personal involvement in the entire process of rollout. Also, there should be special focus on communication activities and utilization of all types of channels to create an encouraging environment, said Mr. Bhushan. Vaccines would first reach 4 major depots in Karnal, Calcutta, Chennai and Madurai, with all states having at least one state-level regional vaccine store. Uttar Pradesh has 9, Madhya Pradesh 4, Gujarat 4, Kerala 3, Jammu and Kashmir 2, Karnataka 2 and Rajasthan has 2, said Mr. Bhushan. Indian Medical Council of Research (ICMR) head Dr. Balram Bhargava spoke about the vaccine regime that would be followed. There will be a gap of 28 days between two doses, and effectiveness begins 14 days after the second dose. During the vaccination process and after that also, COVID-19 appropriate behavior is a must. Member (Health) Niti Aayog Dr. V.K. Paul said the 2,000 of people and side effects are negligible. All the vaccines in the world used currently against COVID-19 have been cleared under the emergency use framework. As we go ahead, we will have more options. India has also been able to get these vaccines at very competitive prices, he stated. Mr. Bhargava voted that the situation was worrisome across the world, with cases graphs still climbing in the US, the UK, Brazil and South Africa. In India, 12,584 new cases were reported in the last 24 hours, and active cases continue to decline, and it is now less than 2.2 lakh. Only two states currently have more than 50,000 active cases, Maharashtra and Kerala, he added. The Delhi government has asked all 11 district magistrates bracket DMS to submit a list of vaccination sites after checking their feasibility to increase the number of such centers in the city to 1,000, a state government official told The Hindu. On Saturday, the first day of the vaccination drive, inoculation will take place at 89 hospitals, and then it will be scaled up. Inspections on these 1,000 sites, including hospitals, dispensaries, and schools, are ongoing. For these sites, the government has also asked the DMS to prepare a total 1,100 teams, of which 10% will be backup, and submit both the lists on Saturday, the official said. Also, the COVID-19 vaccination will be carried out 6 days a week in hospitals except on Sundays, but in dispensaries it will take place only 4 days of a week, according to an official document seen by The Hindu. It is observed that in dispensaries, regular vaccination takes place on Wednesday and Friday. Therefore, COVID vaccination would be carried out on the remaining 4 days bracket Monday, Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday bracket close. The document read: the government has identified 621 cold chain points, including hospitals, dispensaries and mohalla clinics, and 1,000 vaccination sites or vaccinations booths will be established at these cold chain points. On Saturday, the 89 hospitals will have only one vaccination booth each, but we will soon create multiple vaccination booths at these hospitals, said Dr. Sunila Garg, Director Professor at Maulana Azad Medical College, who is a part of the vaccination drive. Each vaccination site will have 3 rooms: waiting rooms, vaccination room and observation room. The Delhi government's aim is to inoculate 1 lakh people a day by increasing the vaccination sites to 1,000. Each of the 1,000 sites is expected to inoculate 100 people a day. As per the document, Southwest districts with 123 vaccination sites will have the highest number of such sites, followed by the North district with 110 and the West district with 108. The lowest number of vaccination sites will be in the Northeast district, where Only 65 such sites are proposed. The Delhi government has already collected details of 160 hospitals where the vaccination drive will begin after starting at 89 hospitals, officials said. Stop.